YouTube, what's up? It's your boy WaveManMike, and today we're back for another video. Alright, everybody asks the same question. At some point, you want to know how to make your waves pop out. How to make your waves pop out is pretty much the same question as how to get deeper waves. It's pretty much the same. So it's really the same steps as how to get deep waves. Before I explain these steps, everybody go hit the like button right now. Like, turn your phone, turn it. All right, scroll a little bit, hit the like button. Yeah, and if you're not subscribed already, go subscribe too. You done? You did it? Okay, let's get the video started. All right, so first of all, if you want deep waves, you want your waves to show, your hair is gonna need to be trained at longer lengths. So you're gonna need a wolf. Grow your hair for about 4 to 6 weeks, you know, while brushing and combing once you get to a higher length, and then you cut it down. And you do the same thing, 4 to 6 weeks, and then you cut it down. 4 to 6 weeks, and then cut it down. Eventually, you're gonna keep progressing. You're gonna go maybe up to 8 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks. You're gonna keep doing it, and then cut it down. Cut it down, depending on your hair texture. I say for a coarse hair, anywhere between a 1 with the grain and a 2 with the grain. For medium texture hair, I say between, let's say a 2 with the grain and 3 with the grain. And for for straight hair, anywhere between a 2 and a 4. So why is it different heights for different hair textures? Because waves are just stretched out curls and then laid down. So everybody's hair curls at a different length, but you don't want to cut it shorter than your curl length, because then you can't get waves. You can't get waves without curls. So that's why it's different for everybody. So once you get your maximum curl, super defined curls, then it's gonna start showing. Your waves are gonna pop out if they're deep. So pretty much wolfing and combing while brushing, all that stuff is gonna contribute to how to make your waves pop out. I do have more videos on how to make your waves deep and how to wolf and what is wolfing, all that stuff. So you can go check those out. I'll probably leave them in the comment section. If I don't, just remind me in the comments, hey, you forgot to link it, or I'll probably put it in the description. But yeah, that's probably what's gonna happen. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is WaveManMike. Go ahead and like the video right now. Like, while you're watching, you hear me say this, turn your phone, because some of you still haven't liked it. Like, turn your phone. It's not that hard. Turn your phone to portrait mode. Scroll just a little bit. Press that like button. Press it, and then right beside the like button, it's like that other button that says subscribe. Press that too. Now you're subscribed. Now you like the video. Oh, turn on post notifications. If you haven't already, turn on your post notifications. For me, I almost tripped up and said the wrong words. Turn on your post notifications. Now you're far up. That's it for the video. I'm WaveManMike. Enjoy your day.